11th math student, see some more problem from miscellaneous exercise chapter 6. Very simple problems are given in question number 1 to 6. Find the limit of x. You can simplify. Inequalities are given. See one of the question number 6. 3x plus 11 by 2 greater than 7 less than or equal to 11. First removing 2 from denominator, so multiply 2 in each 3 part. 3 part means left part, middle part and right part. So after multiplying by 2 you get on the left part 14 less than or equal to 3x plus 11 middle and less than or equal to 22 right side. Then you have to find the value of x. So here removing 11 from 3x, so subtracting by 11 in each 3 part. You can see here after subtracting 11 means removing 11 from middle, then you have here 3x greater than or equal to 3 less than or equal to 11 dividing by 3. You get the limit of x greater than or equal to 1 but less than or equal to 11 by 3. In bracket you can write 1 to 11 by 3 in close bracket. Now in question number 7 to 10 similar questions are given. There are two combined inequality, solving separately and find the common value of x. See one of the question. You can see question number 10. So first inequality is 5 times 2x minus 7 minus 3 times 2x plus 3 less than or equal to 0, and second is 2x plus 19 less than or equal to 6x plus 47. So first solving, first multiplying 10x minus 35 minus 6x minus 9 less than or equal to 0. From this you will find the value of x and you can determine easily x is here less than or equal to 11. This is one relation represented by as A. Now solving second inequality. What is second inequality? 2x plus 19 less than or equal to 6x plus 47. From this find the value of x. First what to do? From this, now 6x minus 2x greater than 19 minus 47, transferring on this side you get here 4x is greater than or equal to minus 28 or x greater than or equal to minus 7. This is the second relation as B. Combining A and B, here x is greater than or equal to minus 7 less than or equal to 11. You can write in bracket. If there is a mistake in plus minus sign, you can correct it, but I am explaining here what is the procedure to find the value of x. Okay, so very easy problems are given. See one more question. Question number 11. Here the relation between Fahrenheit and centigrade, F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. But here limit of F is given. F lies between 68 degree and 77 degree. In place of F, write the given relation 9 by 5 C plus 32, and this limit is greater than 68 but less than 77. Okay. Now here you have to find the limit for C. So first remove it 32 from 9 by 5 into C. So subtracting by 32 in each 3 part, you will get here in next step 9 by 5 C greater than 36 but less than 45. Okay. Now determine the value of C. For C, multiplying in each part 5 by 9. So after multiplying you get the limit of C greater than 20 but less than 25 you can do. Now see one more question. Question number 12. Here question is a solution of 8% boric acid is to be diluted by the adding of 2% boric acid solution. The resulting mixture is to be more than, here limit is given more than 4% but less than 6%. If we have 640 liter of 8%, it is given 640 liter of 8% boric acid. In 640 liter there are 8% boric acid. How many liter of 2% solution be added? Means here you have to dilute. How many liter should be added to dilute it? So you can assume here let x liter be added of 2% boric acid in a 640 liter. So your mixture is 640 plus x liter. And according to the question, this mixture 640 plus x, in which 640 8% boric acid in 640 and in x 2% boric acid. So in middle part you will write 640 into 8% plus x into 2%, and this much middle portion is greater than, according to the question, 640 plus x into 4% and less than 640 plus x into 6%. Okay, percent you can write 4 by 100, 6 by 100, 8 by 100, 2 by 100, and you can remove 100 from all parts. So in next step you will get 640 into 8 plus 2 per 2x. This is the middle part is greater than, left part is 640 plus x into 4, and it is less than right part is 640 plus x into 6. So you can break this inequality in two parts. In two parts means taking left middle means as 640 plus x into 4 is less than 640 into 8 plus 2x. This is the first, and second part is middle and right part. So middle, that is 640 into 8 plus 2x is less than 640 plus x into 6. So, solving both first and second. How to solve means find the x from first and find the limit of x from second. So you have seen how to solve it from the above question. So solving separately first and second and find the x, then combining means find the common value of x when you solve 1 and 2. Okay, now question number 13 is same as question number 12, and in 14 here relation of IQ is given mental age upon chronicle age into 100. Here you have to find the limit of mental age group, and it relation is given in 14 number. IQ is greater than or equal to 80 and less than or equal to 145 group. In place of IQ you will write the given relation MA upon CA into 100. Here CA is given age group 12 years. In place of CA you will write 12. So in middle part it will be MA by 12 into 100 and removing 12 and 100 and find the limit of MA means mental age. So you can do. Okay.